Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number one pick is RoverTac 14-in-1 Multitool Camping. Looking for the perfect gift for someone who loves the great outdoors? The RoverTac 14-in-1 Multitool makes an ideal gift for men, dads, or anyone who enjoys camping, hiking, or fishing. The compact design, combined with the wide range of useful features, makes it the go-to tool for anyone who wants to be prepared for any situation in the wild. Despite the numerous functions packed into this tool, the RoverTac Multitool is surprisingly compact and easy to carry. It comes with a durable nylon sheath that can be worn on a belt or stowed away in your backpack for easy access. This sheath ensures the multi-tool is safely stored, and the lightweight design means it won't weigh you down. The 14-in-1 RoverTac Multi-Tool is equipped with a wide range of practical tools, making it an incredibly versatile addition to your gear. Here's a quick breakdown of its features. Axe Hatchet, the primary tool of this multi-tool. Our second 5 camping gadgets that'll make you a wilderness pro is KIZEN Solar Camping Lantern. If you're looking for a compact, reliable, and versatile light source for camping, emergencies, or power outages, the KIZEN Solar Camping Lantern is an excellent choice. One of the standout features of the KIZEN Solar Camping Lantern is its collapsible design. When not in use, it folds down into a small, lightweight form that fits easily into a backpack, emergency kit, or glove compartment. Unlike traditional bulky lanterns, this space-saving design makes it highly portable and easy to carry. When expanded, it functions as a lantern, emitting a bright 360-degree light, perfect for illuminating a campsite, tent, or room during a power outage. When collapsed, it doubles as a flashlight, making it ideal for walking in the dark or searching through supplies. The KIZEN Solar Camping Lantern features 3 lighting modes, allowing you to adjust brightness levels based on your needs. Bright mode, perfect for illuminating a campsite, tent, or room. Low mode, great for conserving battery life while still providing sufficient light. Flashlight mode, functions as a standard flashlight for focused lighting. With its energy-efficient LED bulbs, this lantern provides long-lasting illumination, making it highly reliable in situations where power is unavailable. Built for the outdoors, the KIZEN Solar Lantern is made with durable, weather-resistant materials. It can withstand light rain, dust, and rugged use, making it ideal for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Third in our list is Mart Cobra Emergency Blanket. Made from durable mylar material, these blankets are designed to reflect up to 90% of body heat, keeping you warm in extreme cold. Each blanket folds down to a small, portable size, making it easy to store in backpacks, glove compartments, and emergency kits. These blankets shield against wind, rain, and snow, providing protection in harsh outdoor conditions. Can be used as an emergency shelter, ground cover, makeshift poncho, or even a signal for rescuers. Unlike some flimsy emergency blankets, these are tear-resistant and can be reused, offering long-term value. I tested the Mart Cobra emergency blanket during a winter camping trip, and it proved to be highly effective in retaining warmth. I wrapped it around my sleeping bag and immediately noticed an increase in warmth and insulation. The blanket is large enough to cover an adult comfortably and is sturdy enough not to rip easily. Another key use was in an unexpected rain shower. I used one as a makeshift rain cover, and it successfully kept my gear dry. Number 4. In our 5 camping gadgets that'll make you a Wilderness Pro list is Camping Cookware Mess Kit Set with Stove. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, camper, hiker, or backpacker, having a lightweight, compact, and efficient cooking set is essential. The Smoky Camping Cookware Mess Kit is designed to make outdoor cooking easy and enjoyable, offering all the essential gear needed for meal preparation in the wilderness. With non-stick pots and pans, a portable stove, and a variety of utensils, this all-in-one kit ensures that you can cook delicious meals on the go, whether you're camping, hiking, or having a picnic. Backpackers and hikers who need a lightweight, space-saving cookware set. Campers and outdoor adventurers looking for a reliable and efficient cooking kit. Picnics and outdoor gatherings where a compact cooking set is needed. Emergency preparedness, a great option for survival or disaster situations. One of the biggest standout features was the stove's efficiency. It worked great with a standard fuel canister. Our last pick is Camping Water Filtration System. I recently tested the Water Drop Gravity water filter straw during a backpacking trip in a remote area, where access to clean water was limited. Setting it up was quick and easy. I simply filled the provided 1.5-gallon bag with water, hung it up, and let gravity feed the water through the filter straw. The filtration system worked smoothly, and within minutes, I had clean, clear water ready to drink. The water tasted great, with no odd tastes or odors, which is a major plus when you're relying on natural water sources. The filter removed any visible particles, leaving behind perfectly drinkable water. I also appreciated how lightweight and compact the setup was. The entire kit took up very little space in my backpack, and the 1.5-gallon bag provided a generous supply of water for the day. Constructed from high-quality materials, this filter is built to withstand outdoor conditions and can filter up to 1,500 liters of water before needing a replacement. With a lightweight design and included 1.5-gallon bag, the gravity filter straw is easy to carry and perfect for hiking, camping, and survival situations, capable of filtering out microorganisms, bacteria, and protozoa.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!